Welcome to our lesson on file formats. Today, we'll explore various types of file formats and their significance in data science. A file format is essentially a standard way that information is encoded for storage. Understanding this is crucial for effective data handling in data science. Let's look at some common file formats. CSV, or comma-separated values, is widely used for data exchange, while JSON is favored for its readability and ease of use. Image file formats like JPEG and PNG are essential in data science. JPEG uses lossy compression for smaller sizes, while PNG is preferred for images needing transparency. This quote emphasizes the importance of understanding file formats in data management. As we progress, keep this in mind for your data science journey. Audio file formats like MP3 and WAV are also significant. MP3 offers smaller sizes with good quality, while WAV delivers high-quality sound without compression. Document formats like PDF and DOCX are essential in data science. PDF preserves formatting, while DOCX is editable and commonly used in business environments. Spreadsheet formats like XLSX and ODS are crucial for data analysis. XLSX is used in Excel, while ODS offers compatibility with various applications. When choosing a file format, consider your specific use case. Compatibility with your tools is also crucial to avoid processing issues. In data science, understanding file formats aids in data import and export. This knowledge ensures smooth integration and impacts how data is shared and used. The future of file formats is promising with new formats emerging. These aim to improve data efficiency and adaptability to meet evolving data needs. This quote highlights the importance of selecting the right file format in data science. Keep this in mind as you work with various data types. To recap, there are diverse file formats available, each serving a unique purpose. Choosing the right format is crucial for effective data handling. As we conclude, visualizing different file formats can enhance understanding. Let's take a moment to appreciate the diversity in data representation. Thank you for joining this lesson on file formats. We hope you gained valuable insights that will aid your journey in data science. In our next lesson, we will delve deeper into data storage solutions. Stay tuned for more exciting insights in data science.